Hello and welcome. You made it. You're here. I am so excited. It's time for us to really unleash the power of AI because AI is taking over the world. I've heard so many people say it. ChatGPT is taking over the world. And you know what? I agree. Now, I sat on the sidelines for a minute thinking, okay, so what does this mean for me? What does this mean for barcode branding? What does this mean for branding in general? And I wanted to see what kind of content was generated through this AI tool everybody's talking about. And what I found out is really magnificent, and I want to share it with you. So here's the deal. You are probably already using this tool, and I'm proud of you. Yay. It's not going anywhere. Okay? It's that same thinking. The people that think that this is just a fad are the same people that thought that the internet was a fad, or that cell phones would go away, or that maybe Uber wouldn't catch on. But I'm telling you, it's here to stay, and it's only going to become more and more advanced. So you need to get on board, especially if you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, a coach, a consultant, a speaker, right? An author. This is for you. Now, when I started generating content using my AI tool, I thought, it's kind of boring. God, it's a little bland. It's not really in my voice. And then it occurred to me, right? I started watching other experts. I started paying attention to the nuances. And guess what? You need branding more than ever. Yay! Branding is the key to making sure that your AI tool speaks in your brand voice. I swear, it's a game changer, right? So if you were sitting on the sidelines, like I was, watching all the AI generated content, thinking, oh, it feels canned, it feels bland. Oh, canned and bland, that rhymes. You were right. And this is the reason. Because if you don't teach your AI assistant, whether you're using ChatGPT, whether you're using Jasper, whatever you're using, if you don't teach your assistant who you are as a brand, they won't know what to write in your voice. Yes. So, put my head down, got to work. And I'm bringing you this workshop because you deserve to know. Right? It's easy. It's not that complicated. You just need to build a brand foundation, a brand voice, establish your brand positioning. Once you do that and you teach this information to your chatbot, right? To your AI assistant, then the content they're creating will be on brand every time. And guess what else? You won't have to do as much rewriting to make it sound like you. And you will save yourself endless hours. I think I wrote a landing page yesterday in a matter of maybe, I don't know, 10, 20 minutes. I would have totally labored over that for days, getting every word just right, trying to think of the right sentence, right? Think of something captivating. So there is a way to teach your AI assistant who you are as a brand. And I'm going to show you how. Are you excited? Yay! Me too.